My name is Idris Temir, and today we have another unboxing video. In front of us, we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium. At the front, we can see the wallpaper, which if you think about it now, it's resembling the liquid glass. So this is kind of like their Easter egg from before. On the right side, the iPhone text in black color. At the back, we can see the iPhone 16 Pro Max label, as well as the color black titanium and the storage size. On the left side, same black iPhone text. On the top is the black Apple logo, as well as on the bottom. Now let's proceed in opening this box with these pull tabs. There we go. Now let's open this box. It's not opening as expected, maybe because of this dent on the corner. But we will have to use some force and wiggling. As we can see, the black titanium, really nice. I super like this one. And at some certain angle, you can see the Apple logo kind of vanish because of the blending of the colors. Now let's put the phone on the side for now and open the rest of the box. So this is the new inside of the box. It's a whole thing now. It used to have a separate part at the bottom. Here's the white braided cable, which is USB-C. Also the SIM card tool. Let's put it on the left side. And here's the new paperwork. So the shape is quite different from the previous one. It used to be like rectangular or square, now it's pill shape. And as we go along while checking this paperwork, we can see the Arabic text and then the English text on the other. And for the iPhone 16, there's no more sticker. And there's some cutouts here inside the box. Now let's return the paperwork and put the box on the right side. Now back to the iPhone. I like the glass back with this texture. And on the right side, we can see the new camera button as well as the power button. On the left side is the usual action button, volume buttons, and the SIM card tray. One antenna line on the top The speaker holes at the bottom, plus the USB-C port and one more antenna line. I also like the black railings. Now let's remove the front cover. I'm totally speechless on this one. And as you can see from this closer shot, the camera button has a little bit of different texture. Now let's turn on the iPhone. This took about like 20 seconds. I'm not sure if you noticed, but the first two greeting word is hello, and then the Arabic word for hello. And as you can see at the front, the new display. The bezels are slightly thinner than the previous one, and you can also see the dynamic island. And just for information, this phone doesn't belong to me. This belongs to the company I'm working with. I just had the chance to unbox it and share it with you guys. So thank you for my team. And that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one.